See this question once again, dear student. So this is our question: plate A, plate B, plate C. Okay. Now in the option we have all transform fault. So the plate between the fault between B and C is your transform fault. Okay. Now apply the direction. So this is the direction of spreading. So similarly your direction of spreading like this. Okay, same direction for plate B. Now if this is the direction for plate B, so your direction for plate C should be like this. Okay, now you can see if you are standing on plate B and look at the upper arrow which is going towards left side. Now consider if you are standing on plate C, now look at the upper arrow, it is going to the left side, means it is transform sinistral. Okay, sinistral transform fault. Now calculation for the velocity. Now the question is, you look, you can see that both the direction of arrows, they are towards each other. Okay, you are seeing that this direction are towards each other. In this case, both the arrows are opposite to each other. For to understand this concept, draw the actual triple junction. Okay, so this figure will show you the actual triple junction. This is your MOR, mid oceanic ridge. Okay, so I am drawing mid oceanic ridge like this. Now this is your A, this is your plate B, this is your C. Now the junction between A and C is your transform fault. Okay, so direction of A and the direction in plate A are same, so I am labeling as this. Okay, this is like this. Now apply the direction to plate between B and C, transform fault between B and C. So this is direction same for B and this is like this. Okay, so if you are standing on plate B, look at the upper arrow going to the left. Again you are standing on plate C, if you are standing on plate C, look at the upper arrow going to left, means sinistral. Okay, so these arrows which are actually looks like which are opposite to each other are these arrows. Okay, this arrow, and this is the arrow for this. Okay, and the arrow which looks like opposite to each other, having different direction, these are actually these arrows. Okay, but if you see in the triple junction, you can see that both the arrows are in the same direction for C. Okay, so our question is correct and our answer is also correct. To calculate this, how you will solve? You will use vector formula. You need to calculate the relative velocity between plate B and C. Okay, so I will use vector formula from B to A. Okay, so derive the formula first. The B to A means first B to C plus vector C to A. Okay, now you have value of B to C. Sorry, you need to calculate the value between B to C. Sorry. You need to calculate value between B and C. Okay, so B and C. So B and C means B to A plus A to C. Okay, now you have value between A and B. So this is half spreading rate, which is 4. So actual spreading rate is 8. Okay, because of spreading we are putting minus sign here. Then value between A and C. Okay, so this is the value for A and B. So value for A and C will be 6. So this is 6. 8 minus 6 means minus 2. So minus sign indicates sinistral and 2 is your relative velocity. Understood? So our doubt was actually why these arrows are going in opposite direction towards each other on plate C. Actually they are not going in opposite direction, they are in the same direction. We need to consider this figure actually. Okay, clear? Clear? Still you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay.